In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive storage full. By the end, you'll know exactly how to identify what's using space, safely remove what you don't need, and keep it from filling up again. Start by opening OneDrive either in your browser or the desktop app. Head into Settings, then Storage. This page is your snapshot of what's taking up the most room. Sort by size and look for large videos, old backups, and any folders that have grown over time. Taking a minute here helps you target the biggest wins first. Next, delete anything you truly don't need. Old videos, duplicate files, and bulky downloads are common culprits. If you're unsure, preview the file or check the date last modified before removing it. After deleting, make sure you go to the OneDrive recycle bin and empty it. Items in the bin still count against your storage until they're cleared. If you're worried about mistakes, you can review items in the bin before permanently removing them. If you want to keep certain files but don't need them in the cloud, move them to your computer or an external drive. Open your OneDrive folder, select the large files, right-click and choose Cut, then paste them to your desktop, documents, or an external drive. Once the move finishes syncing, that cloud space is freed up. Just confirm the files copied successfully before you cut them, especially when using an external drive. To prevent space from filling back up, turn off auto backup for folders you don't want in OneDrive. Click the OneDrive icon, go to Settings, then Sync and Backup, and select Manage Backup. Turn off backup for desktop, documents, and pictures if you prefer to keep those local. This stops new files from auto-uploading. It doesn't delete what's already in OneDrive, so move or remove existing items separately if needed. If your OneDrive is connected to your email, large Outlook attachments can count towards storage. Search your mailbox for big messages and remove what you no longer need, or save important attachments locally and delete the email copies. On your computer, you can also use the Free Up Space option by right-clicking files in the OneDrive folder. This keeps the files online but removes local copies, which is great for freeing disk space on your device. If syncing keeps refilling your storage, consider pausing or unlinking temporarily. In OneDrive settings, go to Account and choose Unlink this PC. Your files remain where they are and you can relink later. And if you truly need more room, upgrading your plan to 100 GB or 1 TB is a straightforward solution for heavy photo, video, or business use.